Good morning. It is Wednesday, May 6th, and it's time for math. We're going to be jumping ahead a little bit. We're going to skip the next two chapters because they're shapes. And I don't know if you remember, but we did shapes a long time ago. We did shapes at the very beginning of the year. If you would like, certainly take time and review shapes. Remember the three-dimensional shapes that we looked at, but we've already done that section. So we're going to be moving to lesson 14.1 today. And what we're going to start is measurement. We're going to start that by doing some comparisons. And so when you open, you'll see your page looks like this, and you'll see there is a crayon and a pencil. You can skip this page if you don't have any blocks at your house. But if you have some small blocks, see if you can gather 4 of them together and put them together. And see if your 4 blocks are bigger than a pencil or a crayon. Are they smaller or bigger? Just compare, line up your 4 blocks, and when we compare something, we always work from left to right. So we start here with our first block, and we'll put them together going left to right. Decide if they're longer or shorter. So we're comparing those. If you don't have blocks, don't worry about this page. We would be using our Unifix cubes to do this page if we were at school, but we don't have those. If you have some at home, use your Unifix cubes and put 4 together and compare it to a pencil and a crayon and see if it's longer or shorter. You're going to flip over to the next page, and this will be a little bit easier because they're giving us our comparisons right here. So, for example, in number 1, it says, mark an X on the shorter objects. We have 2 crayons. And you'll notice, see how they're lined up left to right? When we're looking at something in length, we're going to line it up left to right. Which one is shorter? Which one's shorter? Right, that one. So you're going to put an X on that one because that one's shorter. All right, now we're going to be comparing height. We were comparing length over here. We're going to be comparing height. So our next one says, draw a circle around the taller object. Which one of these is taller? Right, this one's taller. This one's shorter. So we're going to draw a circle right there. So you're going to be working through this section. Have your parents read the instructions at the bottom, and we're going to be comparing items. So this is a unit on measurements, and so we have to look and start to become very observant about the items that we're looking at so we can compare them in terms of length and height to see which one is shorter or taller. So that's what you're going to be working on today. So you'll be working in section 11 again, and you're going to be doing 14.1. Have a great day. I'll see you tomorrow.